Tired of battling unruly grass, tough terrain, and steep slopes? Imagine a lawnmower that works smarter, not harder, so you don't have to. Meet the future of lawn care, a versatile, powerful, and time-saving solution that takes the work out of yard work. With a cutting width of up to 550 mm and a height range of 180 mm, this mower makes quick work of any lawn. It even conquers slopes up to 45 degrees thanks to its 7.5 horsepower vertical axis engine. But this isn't just any mower, it's an intelligent machine, operated with ease from up to 680 meters away, all with the power of remote control. Flexibility and precision are at your fingertips. Imagine covering 1,500 square meters in just 1 hour. A day's work for 5 people done in a fraction of the time. This mower doesn't just cut grass, it cuts down on labor costs too. Built to last, it's coated in wear-resistant paint with fine workmanship that ensures it looks as good as it performs. Say goodbye to the sweat and stress of manual mowing. With these powerful, flexible, and intelligent lawnmowers, you can enjoy more of what matters most, your time. Ready to revolutionize your lawn care? Click the link and get yours today, because your lawn deserves the best, and so do you.